Need to lose weight? You're at the right place. Your weight loss journey starts now. Our bodies were designed to move. Modern life often keeps us sedentary. This impacts our weight and health. Good news, walking is simple and free. It can unlock a healthier, happier you. Walking is gentle on your joints, perfect for starting your fitness journey. It's free and can be done anywhere. Walking offers many benefits. It strengthens your cardiovascular system, reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Lace up and start walking. Your weight loss journey starts now. Walking is a powerful tool for weight management. It burns calories and targets harmful visceral fat. Aim for 30 minutes of brisk walking daily. Walking is a hidden gem for weight loss, often underestimated for its simplicity, but it packs a powerful punch for burning calories. Every step leads to a healthier you. Ready to turn your walks into calorie-torching adventures? Here's how to make every step count. Embrace the great outdoors. Ditch the treadmill for fresh air. Natural terrain engages more muscles. Pump up the jams. Create an upbeat playlist. Music helps maintain pace, add light weights, make it social.
Music enhances your walking workouts and boosts calorie burn. The right playlist elevates mood and motivation. Walk to the beat for optimal rhythm and results. For brisk walks, choose tunes with 120, 140 beats per minute. Use varying tempos for high-intensity bursts and recovery.
Level up your walk, integrating mini workouts for enhanced results. Add mini workouts to your walks for more calorie burn and strength. Park bench push-ups. Use a bench for push-ups. Walking lunges. Add lunges to your walk. Stair climbs. Use stairs for a cardio boost.
Heart rate and interval training for optimal fat burning. Your heart rate gauges workout intensity and optimizes fat burning. Aim to keep your heart rate within a target zone. Interval training alternates high-intensity exercise and rest.
Real transformations, inspiring weight loss, journeys through walking, inspiring stories of weight loss through walking. Sarah, a busy mum, started walking with her stroller. She lost 50 pounds in a year. John, a retired teacher, walked daily after dinner. He lost 30 pounds and reversed pre-diabetes.
Embrace the walking lifestyle. Walking is a gateway to a healthier life. Incorporate it into your daily routine. Lace up, step outside. Embrace the power of walking. If you find this video interesting and helpful, feel free to click on my other videos in this channel to gain more information that will assist you along your weight loss journey.